welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this is your first time here so that you join my beautiful family of kings and queens. And if you are a regular on this channel, thank you so much for coming back. You know how we roll. Only quality content and tips that are going to help you win your beauty pageant. Disclaimer, this is my first time wearing this kind of hair, so if you see anything wrong with it, it's not my fault. This is my first time wearing it, so wow. Anyway, today we're talking the 7 fashion mistakes you should never make in a beauty pageant. 1. Never make the mistake of repeating outfits. It can be you repeating the same outfit you wore before, or wearing an outfit that somebody has worn before in the space of a beauty pageant. Because as a judge, I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, I've seen this outfit before, but it sort of didn't fit like this, or it didn't look like this because it's not on the same body. Or I have seen this outfit before and I didn't like it, so I still don't like it today. Or I've seen this outfit before and the person that wore it didn't win, so this automatically says to me the person that's wearing it now is also not going to win because this is not a winning outfit. Or the person that wore it before rocked it and I liked it so much, but I'm seeing it today and it doesn't have the same effect on me, so what's happening? What's wrong? So immediately the judge will start seeing you as sort of a downgrade of something that they liked before, and now that definitely does not look good for you. It's not good for your score. Stop wearing colors that don't suit you. There are colors that flush us out and sort of make us look like we're naked. I know you've seen such. It's okay in a casual setting, but it's not for a beauty pageant. Other colors could make you look lighter than you actually are, or darker than you actually are. So be mindful of such colors. Know which colors look good on you and which colors make your skin pop and make your eyes look brighter than they actually are. Those are the kind of colors that you should go for. Another fashion mistake not to make is dressing inappropriately for your age. This can be you dressing a bit older than what you actually are, or younger than your age. This makes you seem like you're not relatable. It makes you seem like you are confused about your place in society or the role that you need to play in society. You're generally confused about who you are. It makes you seem like you're not comfortable in who you are and where you are in your life. And remember that in a beauty queen, judges are looking for a woman who knows who she is, who knows where she is, who's comfortable in who she is, and can radiate the same energy amongst thousands and thousands of people. So beauties, if you feel like this video has been informative so far and you like it up to thus far, please go and like it and subscribe to this channel and comment, because I really enjoy hearing what you have to say and some of your questions. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, because I love hearing from you over there. Don't forget to share my links and tell your friends to subscribe, tell your friends to watch my videos, because I believe that they are good for you. I believe that they are very informative and they'll help shape you into the beauty queen that you honestly want to be. Moving right along, another mistake not to make is underdressing throughout the whole pageant. Remember to always dress your best. Always look good. If you need to be formal, if it's an interview, then be formal. If you need to be casual, but not too casual. Always wear heels. Always look formal. Always look like you were ready to get out of the house. You can't be showing up without earrings. You can't be showing up with messy hair or with a mismatched outfit. Always plan your outfits ahead and always make sure you look like you can be ready for a photo shoot on the spot. If you were to be called for an event right there and then, you can attend it and you'll fit in when you get there. Make sure not to wear outfits that are way too revealing. well, try not to look like a call girl. You can be sassy, but not sexy. Always maintain class. Top of my head, I'm thinking you can't rock up in knee-high boots, short, extremely short denim shorts, and a crop top in the pageant space. No, total no. Always think, what would Queen Elizabeth wear? And then wear that. Fit is very important, how your clothes look on you. You don't want them too tight or way oversized. So just the perfect fit, that's what we need. You don't want clothes that are so tight, they're showing off your cleavage or parts of your bum, or, oh God, no, down there, oh my God, no. You don't want clothes that are showing off too much. You don't want clothes that are showing off your private areas. Oh no, no. Rather, your clothes should show off the kind of body that you possess. They should be tight enough for the judges to always see what you look like, but not too tight, like I already said. They should also not be oversized, because then, like I always say, a pageant is a competition. You're standing there, you're being compared to the girl next to you. She's wearing a really lovely outfit that is the perfect fit. We can see her body and we can see how her posture is like, and you're wearing this oversized item and we can't see your posture, we can't see anything about you. So fit is very, very important. Another mistake that I've witnessed that pageant girls make a lot is getting out of the house not knowing whether they look good or not. I don't know if they know that they don't look good, but they can make that mistake more than once, and you wonder, is this person ready for this? Does this person see themselves? Is this person aware of herself? What I basically mean is, you've got to always look good. You've got to always look good in what you're wearing. And lastly, another fashion mistake not to make in a beauty pageant is wearing clothes that are made of fabric that looks cheap. The fabric of your outfits should always maintain class. They should always look rich and classy. It's not even about you looking like money. It's just about you looking good. It's about you looking good enough. It's about you looking better than the girl that's standing next to you. So that's it for today. I hope that this video was informative, and I hope that it helps you not to make those mistakes that you've been making, if you've been making them, or stop you from making them. Because we want you to be the best beauty queen there ever was. We want you to rock that stage as a king. So kings and queens, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram. I really love that. I really appreciate it. And if you can, please screenshot this video and upload it on your story and tag me. I really enjoy that. Mwah!